Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class once more. And I'm going to take exercises of revision. Lesson number, this is 11. After 11, this is given here. And in this, you have to complete exercise number A1. I have written here, but you can mention here A, B, C. There are 3 exercises. I'm going to take here these. Number 1, there is fill in the blanks with the comparative or superlative form of the verbs. Form of the verbs we can write here. Superlative form of verb. Means this is verb there is given here. We can write here adjective, not a verb here. This superlative form of adjective. Superlative or comparative form of the adjective. In it, number 1 I am taking. Students, very properly you have to fill. Number 1, what is the film was? Then the book. The film was. This is fill in the blanks there is. Then the book exciting. We write here, then the book, and in blank it is written here. In option there is exciting. You can see in a book, this is already given here. Student, you have to keep, if then comes after the comparative and superlative form of the adjective, in such a condition we use here comparative form, not a superlative form. If the then is followed by the adjectives, in it we use here the comparative form. So we write here what is more exciting. EXCITING. More exciting. What is coming? Number 1 is more exciting. Number 2 I am taking here. Number 2, Shreya looks, then she did. Then she did. What is Shreya looks? There is a blank. Then she did. In blank, in option, what is given here, students? In option, this is here thin. So you are looking again, then is following. So in such a condition, we use here what is thin, thinner, thinnest. So we use here looks thinner. THINNER. Thinner we use here. Got it now? Number next I am taking, children. Today's meeting was. Today's third number I am taking. In third number you have to see today's meeting was. Today's. Apostrophe here there is today's meeting. Today's meeting was. Then in blank there is. And we see here then yesterday. Then yesterday. Then yesterday. In blank there is short. Means as the option there is given here short. And already you know again then has come. So comparative form comes here. So we write here shorter. 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 Shorter than yesterday. Number 4th I am taking, children. In 4th number what is given? Kashmir is the dash place for tourist. What is Kashmir? Kashmir is the dash. There is blank here. place for tourist. Place for tourist. Tourist. Tourists. Tourists. So we write here what is option is here attractive. Attractive given here, and in case of superlative form, what are we getting here? Kashmir is the. The is given here. Determiner the is used here, means article the is used here, and this is the rule. If before the adjective article the comes in such a condition, we use here superlative form of the adjective, not a comparative form. So what is most attractive? We write here what is most attractive. Most attractive we write. So what are these here? Kashmir is the most attractive place for tourists. These 4 examples I have taken, and fifth one you have to take. Here also I am taking fifth one. In fifth one I am taking next one example. The weather is getting. What is the weather? The weather is getting. The weather is getting blank. There is each day. Each day. So in such a condition, the is not given, but here we use here what is superlative form. We use superlative form. Wed, worst, worse, worst. So we write here worst. The weather is getting worst each day. In this way, you have to complete number A. These fill in the blanks in a book properly. And I will send you here some pictures of these page. So you have to take the help from it.